Okay, for the next week I'm going to be pruning my apple trees. These are the mature apple trees, and they were pruned more of an open vase than modified central leader like they suggest here in Utah. So they have a lot of water sprouts. Those are the suckers that go straight up. So this is a before, and I'll show you an after, but first I'm going to show you what I'm going to take off any of those things that go straight up. These are water sprouts. And they're all racing to see if they can be the central leader. They said if you prune them in an open vase type way, this will happen. And that's what all these were pruned as. So I always have a lot of work to do in the spring. February is the best time in Utah, zone 6B, to trim apple trees. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And these are the fruiting spurs. Last year I trimmed half of them off because they had just been out of control. These are 25-year-old trees. And I think I'm going to trim a few more off, like the ones that are crossing over to each other. I'm going to make so they're not doing that. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Alright, you guys, I'm done. That was a lot of work, and that took about an hour and a half. Now I have this one to do, and this one to do, and one behind this one, and then there's one over on the other side of that clubhouse. Yeah, a lot of work. I have to tell you, this is my least favorite part of spring and having apple trees.